नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं ओंकार न्यूज।
दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय अपनी एकता, अनुशासन और प्रगतिशील सोच के लिए दुनिया भर में जाना जाता है। आध्यात्मिक मार्गदर्शन के साथ यह समुदाय व्यापार, शिक्षा और शहरी विकास में निरंतर योगदान देता आया है। यही सोच सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो जैसे आयोजनों में साफ दिखाई देती है। मुंबई में सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो 2025 का भव्य शुभारंभ किया गया, जो कंस्ट्रक्शन और रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर में नवाचार और सहयोग को बढ़ावा देता है। मुंबई के गोरेगांव स्थित बॉम्बे प्रदर्शनी केंद्र में दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय द्वारा आयोजित सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो का उद्घाटन महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा अध्यक्ष एवं कोलाबा के विधायक राहुल नार्वेकर ने किया। इस अवसर पर राहुल नार्वेकर ने कहा,
बहुत अच्छा एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे आयोजित किया है। कंस्ट्रक्शन 360 कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री को प्रमोट करने के लिए एक अच्छा मौका है।
सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो का यह 5वां संस्करण है, जो 3 दिनों तक चलेगा। इस प्रदर्शनी में देश और विदेश के 120 से अधिक प्रदर्शक नए और आधुनिक उत्पादों के साथ हिस्सा ले रहे हैं।
Group CFO of Dawat Hadia and CFO of SBUT, Saifi Burhani Upliftment Trust, which is one of its kind project not only in Mumbai, not only in Maharashtra, but in India. This project was a vision given by our 52nd Dail Mutlaq Sayyidina Muhammad Burhanuddin and being executed by his worthy successor, the 53rd Dail Mutlaq Sayyidina Ali Qadar Mufaddal Saifuddin. As you would have heard, this project has 9 sectors and 2 sectors have already been completed. Many sectors are underway right now. Sector 4, Sector 5, Sector 6, Sector 7, Sector 9. So many projects are undergoing simultaneously. Other than SBUT, we also have projects pan-India. We have a project going on in Panchgani. We have a project going on in Burhanpur. We have a project going on in Galiakot and many other projects. This expo has been very beneficial to SBUT from many perspectives. First and foremost, this platform brings us close to our sources of supply. So it basically helps us smoothen the supply chain management, where we come across many vendors who are probably not so prominent, who do not have a big brand, but they have a good product to offer.
Hi, this is Murtaza Jasdanwala from the Economic Development Department of the Dawoodi Bohra Community Affairs. We are doing this event, the Saifi Burhani Expo Construction 360 this year in Bombay. The whole theme behind doing this event this year in Bombay is the rising opportunity in the construction industry, especially in Maharashtra, and the number of businessmen being manufacturers, traders, professionals in the form of architects, interior designers, builders, contractors from within our community. So we, the Department of the Economic Development Affairs, found it a very good opportunity to do this event in Bombay this year, looking at the opportunity Bombay has to offer, and we as a community hold so many good players in this segment of the economy which could add value. Creating this platform, the expo, the intention behind doing the event was basically providing an opportunity to the community members to gain access to all the relevant builders, contractors, people who are outside the community doing a very good job in the construction industry. So this platform has been created to merge both parts of the industry, people from within the community and outside the community.